everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shawna Patterson, and today I'm going to be taking you all along on a master bathroom renovation. So my parents are actually getting their master bathroom renovated. They've been living in it for about 25-30 years, so this master bathroom is much needed and long awaited. Now we've hired a general contractor to complete this renovation for us, but given what I do as a profession, I'm going to be their in-house design consultant for this process. I'm going to be picking out all the finishes, fixtures, hardware, countertop options, paint colors, tiles, all that good stuff. So I thought I would bring you guys along for the process.
You sit? Good boy.
Can we do a paw? Thank you. Can you do a high five? You're a cutie. Say hi. This is Milo. He's such a good boy. Sit.
Good boy. You're so cute. I love you. I love you.
So our general contractor is going to be the one doing the whole renovation, and he's bringing in tilers, glass installers, and millwork workers to create all these things for us and to install it all. He's told us that we need to go out and choose our millwork for the vanity and the over the toilet storage unit, as well as countertop options for the vanity because we're making it custom size with a big lovely laundry cabinet. So we have to go choose all that and choose all the cabinet profiles, the color of the cabinets, and the countertop material, as well as the sink shape. And we have to start looking at the fixtures for the vanity, as well as the fixture for the tub and the shower stall, because we're changing it to a big glass shower stall. I'm going to film this renovation in a little bit of a series so that we can see the process as it moves along. We're not selecting everything today, but this is the first step that we have to take to get everything ready, as a lot of the items that we're selecting today have longer lead times. They take about 2 to 3 weeks to produce, so that way they are good to go when we're ready to start the renovation. This is a little overview look of what we are fixing up for this renovation. It's super outdated. There's carpet on the floors. We have a big jacuzzi tub. We're completely gutting this whole renovation. We are keeping a tub, a shower, toilet, and a vanity, and completely tearing at that shower stall. We're putting in a brand new glass shower stall. It's gonna look amazing, but here's a little before look.
So this is actually a quick SketchUp model that I did of the bathroom reno. I took the dimensions of the existing master bath and I threw it into Google SketchUp. So I just wanted to show you guys sort of what the intentions were for the renovation. We're planning on doing this big custom vanity with a single bowl sink and a big laundry cabinet at the side. And then my parents still wanted to keep some sort of a bathtub, so they're decreasing the size from the big corner jet tub and just throwing in a 30 by 60 slide-in tub. And then they're completely renovating the shower stall. They're going to be doing this big lovely glass enclosure. They're going to still have the toilet in the same location, and then we're going to throw a little cabinet over the top, so they sort of have a bit of medicine cabinet storage they're having to get rid of that was inside of the wall, kind of where the laundry cabinet's going right now. So it'll be interesting to see everything going from the before till the SketchUp model and then after, once everything is completed, and I'm so excited.
And then you paint some. Actually, kind of like this one.
Yeah, some.
Like it kind of looks like this, or something like this, you know? So I think I'm doing this one for the outline of the cupboard, for like the profile of the cupboard. And then we found this paint chip at Benjamin Moore. We matched it to the paint sample here. So this is what it would look like mixed with lacquer. And then we're thinking sort of like a marble quartz. So I'm gonna pick the handles. I'm thinking maybe something like this or this, like a brushed nickel. Or this could be nice too.
That's just shiny.
Alright, so I think we're gonna go with this one. It's like a brushed nickel. I like this one as well, and this one, but I think this will just work better for the style of the washroom. Alright, so we just picked the cabinet color, the cabinet style, and the cabinet handles for the vanity and for the storage system over the top of the toilet. And now we're heading to a different vendor to pick out the countertop material. So this is what we selected as the countertop material. I think it's a good match to like the gray in the cabinets And it's pretty pure white. Sort of the vanity style that I'm going for, the really dark gray cabinets and then a really light countertop. Pretty cool. Oh my goodness. I like that faucet, but in like a brush nickel. See, I like these, but I feel like it's impractical in a master bath because of like the water flow is not good. But it just depends on the faucet, I suppose. This one? It's quite similar, but I think for the look, like you're getting a very similar look as that one, but that one's like a little bit cheaper. I honestly like this one a little bit more, to be honest. Yeah. I like that one. I think it's okay. So many options. Oh my goodness. Like crazy.
Like it's just overwhelming. So much stuff in here.
There's just rows and rows and rows. Rows and rows of bathtubs and toilets and sinks and faucets. We'll do the shower jam, the accent tile. This is our cabinet color. We chose a lighter cabinet color. The wall tile in the shower, the floor tile in the shower, and then the tile around the perimeter of the bathroom and going behind the bathtub. I think that'll all work well together. That was our second option. I think I like this better. So far we've selected the vanity color, the cabinet profiles, the hardware for the cabinets, the countertops, and we took a look at some good options for the fixtures in the bathroom, like the plumbing fixtures. So there's still a lot more to do. We still have to select the paint colors. We're going to be custom making a mirror, so I'll bring you all along for that process. That is the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of this bathroom renovation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!